Hey guys, today mag-unbox tayo ng brand new airsoft unit from ENC. So, this model is from HK417. So, ang buwad natin is the two main catalog. This is the catalog, this is the instructions manual. Ito yung stock battery niya. May kasamang wall charger. Ang kanyang stock battery is 9.6 out of the box. This is the magazine. 110 capacity, mid-cap. Shoutout pala sa mga distributor ng mga airsoft units sa Pilipinas. Pa-update naman po kung meron na pong ganitong magazine. Kasi po, mahirap pong maghanap sa Pilipinas. So, about this magazine pala, this is the stock from ENC. And the 417 is also a proprietary. Dapat ganito rin yung magazine niya. So, hindi siya pwede with VFC. Although they have the same appearance, pero yung, as you can see from the feeding tube, magkaiba po sila nito. Ilalagay ko na lang po yung picture ng kanilang pagkakaiba. So, pasok natin. Fit. No wobble. I mean, meron onte, pero hindi gaano. Check natin yung wobble test ng handguard. Oop. May slight play. So, ito palang 417 na to is full metal. There. So, the internals are stock. Blue hop up from ENC. Snappy. So, ano pa ba? Butt stock. Wobbly. Medyo wobble. At ang kanyang butt stock pala is proprietary din. So, kanyang butt stock. Ito. Wait lang. Kunin natin yung isa. Pakita ko lang yung 416 ko. So, this is my 416. The smaller brother or sister of 417. Ito yung kanyang stock na butt stock. At ito yung sa 417. So, comparing natin. Walang kong kita. Ayan. Mas malaki yung sa 417. Tapos yung butas nila, mas malaki din yung sa 417. So, hindi ito, ito, hindi compatible sa ibang buffer tube ng AEG. As far as I know. Kasi ito, malaki yung kanyang buffer tube. Ito, try natin. For reference. Okay? Ito yung sa 416. Wala, ayaw. It won't fit. It won't fit. It's not that I am angry or what, but it won't fit. So, anong kanyang internals? Buksan natin. Okay, so ang kanyang gearbox is SR25 gearbox, which is I think much better than the VFC counterpart. Kasi yung sa VFC, sariling model ng gearbox nila. And then, ano pa ba? Oops. Sorry. It has a 6.3 inner barrel. Like I said before, meron siyang stock na blue hop up. Balik ko lang to, tapos mag-range na tayo. Check natin kung gaano ka-effective yung kanyang gears at accuracy ng kanyang tight inner bore barrel. So, babalik ko lang to and punta na tayo sa shooting test. Test natin accuracy with 0.20 dBs. Ayan na, natumba na yung cellphone ko. So, 0.20 dBs. Try natin dito. Route. Safety. Reload tayo. Okay, next. DB is 0.30. Semi only. Power up. Okay, but then power up. Very simple. Okay. Natin the chamber. Spring has been reset.